Have you ever wondered how affiliate marketing works? Well, let's take a journey into this fascinating world. Picture this: you're at a party, you see two friends on the opposite ends of the room. One is looking to buy a watch, the other is selling. You introduce them, they make a deal, and voila, you get a cut of the sale. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing. Now let's kick it up a notch. Imagine if instead of a watch, your friend was selling a luxury yacht. That's the idea behind promoting high-ticket transactions. While traditional affiliate marketing might pay you a small percentage, usually between 3 to 5%, high-ticket affiliate marketing can earn you a whopping 50%. You're essentially the same middleman, you're just dealing with bigger transactions. So, in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is like being a middleman who gets paid handsomely for just introducing a buyer to a seller. Now, you must be itching to know how to get started with this lucrative business, right? Well, let's dive right in. Starting an affiliate marketing business is much like preparing a delicious meal. You need the right ingredients and a good recipe. The first step is choosing the right product or service to promote. This is like picking your main ingredient. You wouldn't want to cook a steak dinner with tofu, would you? Similarly, you need to pick a product or service that aligns with your interests, your platform, and your audience. For instance, if you're a fitness enthusiast with a blog about healthy living, promoting a high-end fitness equipment or a premium health supplement could be your steak. The second step is building a platform. This is your kitchen, where all the magic happens. Your platform could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a social media page. It needs to be somewhere where you can engage with your audience and promote your chosen product. Remember, your platform is a reflection of you, so make it as engaging and user-friendly as possible. The third step is creating engaging content. This is your secret sauce, the flavor that keeps your audience coming back for more. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and relatable. It should showcase the benefits of the product or service you're promoting and compel your audience to make a purchase. For example, if you're promoting a premium health supplement, you could create a blog post about the benefits of the supplement, a video demonstrating how to use it, or a podcast interview with a satisfied customer. Throughout this process, it's important to be genuine and transparent. Just like a good chef respects their customers, a good affiliate marketer respects their audience. Be honest about your affiliations, provide value, and always put your audience first. And voila, you've just set up your affiliate marketing business. But remember, just like cooking, affiliate marketing requires practice and patience. So, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep serving up delicious content. Your hard work will pay off in juicy commissions and a satisfied audience. Happy marketing. But why should you consider affiliate marketing in the first place, you may ask? Well, let's dive into some of the benefits that this business model offers, and soon you'll see why it's become so popular. First off, let's talk about the biggie, passive income. With affiliate marketing, you can make money while you sleep. No, seriously, imagine waking up to an inbox full of notifications about commissions you've earned overnight. That's not a fairy tale, my friends. That's the power of passive income. Now let's think of Bob, our imaginary friend. Bob loves fishing. He starts a blog, writes about his fishing adventures, and links to his favorite fishing gear on an e-commerce site. Each time someone buys gear through his link, Bob earns a commission. And the best part, Bob doesn't have to be actively selling. He could be out fishing or even sleeping, and the commissions keep rolling in. It's like having a fishing rod that catches money instead of fish. Moving on, we have flexibility. With affiliate marketing, you can work from anywhere, anytime. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 job or a particular location. You could be sipping margaritas on a beach in Mexico, hiking in the Swiss Alps, or just lounging at home in your pajamas. As long as you have an internet connection, you can keep your affiliate marketing business running. Lastly, let's talk about the potential for earning big. In traditional affiliate marketing, you might earn a meager 3 to 5% commission. But what if I told you there's a way to earn up to 50% commission? High-ticket affiliate marketing means promoting products or services that are more expensive, resulting in larger commissions for each sale. It's like fishing for sharks instead of minnows. So, not only does affiliate marketing offer you the chance to make money while you sleep, but it also gives you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. So, are you ready to jump on the affiliate marketing bandwagon? Just think about it. You're using the power of the internet, the digital marketing space, to earn a passive income. It's like having an army of robots working for you, even while you sleep. And let's not forget, these aren't just any robots. These are high-ticket transaction robots, earning you 50% commission. That's a lot of zeros at the end of your paycheck, my friends. We've walked through the entire process of starting an affiliate marketing business. We've shown you the ropes, from understanding the concept to selecting the right products and promoting them effectively. We've unveiled the secret of focusing on high-ticket transactions that can earn you a hefty 50% commission, a far cry from the meager 3 to 5% that traditional affiliate marketing offers. The benefits of affiliate marketing are immense. It offers you the flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time. It's like being your own boss, but without the headaches of running a traditional business. And the best part? The earning potential is truly limitless. The more effort you put in, the more rewards you reap. It's as simple as that. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, strategic planning, and a willingness to learn. But once you've mastered it, it can transform your financial landscape in ways you never imagined. So, are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and unlock the treasure trove of opportunities it holds? Are you ready to leverage the digital marketing space for your profit? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on more amazing tutorials like this. Remember, the world of affiliate marketing is waiting for you.